everyone, welcome back to my channel The Brown Girl. I'm Mansi. I hope you all are doing well. So today I've created this beautiful turquoise eye makeup for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy my video further. Please subscribe to my channel before entering into the video. And yeah, without any further ado, let's jump into the video. So first of all, I'm using this Good Vibes Grape Seed Serum on my face. Dotting it on my face and then blending it properly. Next, here I'm using Swiss Beauty Pearl Illuminator. Dotting it again on my face. Focusing on the highest point of my face. Blend it properly. Next, I'm here using Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in the shade Desert Beach. Dotting it on my face properly. Dot it everywhere. And also on your eyelids and under eye. Don't forget your neck. Blending it using a kabuki brush. Also, I'm applying some on my neck, the excess which is in the brush. After this, I'm going to use Swiss Beauty Concealer in the shade 05. Applying it on my under eyes and also on my eyelids. Next, I will be blending it using a beauty blender. Blend it properly. Next, I am also applying it on my nose, on my cupid bows, chin and forehead and blending it with the blender. Next, I am using this RCO translucent powder in the shade yellow and applying it all the area wherever I need it. Where basically I have applied the concealer. Applying it very nicely on my eyelids too. Next, I am taking Lakme Absolute powder, compact powder, and applying it all over my face and neck. But I'll not dust the powder which I have used in under eyes because if fallout happen, so it can save my makeup. Next, I am using Matte Look eyeshadow palette and taking the turquoise green color and placing it all over my eyelid. I'm tapping it on my eyes. Whenever you place any eyeshadow, keep blending it so that the color doesn't look patchy on the eyes. Next, I am taking a blending brush and taking the brown shade, applying it on the crease and blending the edges of the turquoise color. I am using the swiping motion. Next, I am taking the light orangish or peachy sort of a shade and applying it above the crease for fading the brown shade and creating an ombre effect. Again, I am taking the turquoise shade because it was faded up. Again, I am blending it. So I'll copy the same another eye. Next I'm going to dust off all the powder which I have applied before. Next I'm going to apply the turquoise green color on my lower lash line. I'm using the same flat fluffy brush. Now I'm going to take the orange and the brown color both and fading the color out. Next here I'm using Swiss Beauty Kajal pencil in the shade turquoise and applying it on my waterline. Doing same another eye. Now I'm going to fill my brows. For that I am using Miss Rose brow palette. Taking an angle brush and applying it. Now I'm going to do contouring using the same Miss Rose palette, taking the brown shade and a contouring brush, filling the hollows of my cheeks. Also applying it on my forehead and also on jawline. Contouring brings a lot of dimension to your face. So if you have a fat face like me, do contour whenever you do makeup. It looks very beautiful and brings a lot of dimension to your face. Next I'm going to pinch the brush and contour my nose with the same shade. Next I'm going to take the peach color of the blush and applying it on the apples of my cheeks. Smile whenever you apply any kind of a blush. Blend it properly. Next I'm going to use the highlighter from the same blush palette, applying it on the highest point of my face like cheekbones, apple of my cheeks, and on my bridge of the nose, cupid pose, chin and forehead. Apply it on the cupid pose because it makes an effect of your lips that they look a bit bigger. Next I'm going to use the Lakme Insta eyeliner. Here I'm going to make a small winged eyeliner, and the liner would not be a lot thick, it will be a thin eyeliner. Take your time, apply it very gently, have some patience while applying the liner. Make a small wing. Eyeliner brings a effect that makes your eye makeup look more beautiful, so apply eyeliner. Next I'm going to use the Lakme Iconic Mascara on my eyelashes. Put a good layer of mascara on your lashes. First I'm applying it on my top lashes, and here I've also applied it on my skin. This always happens with me. Apply it very nicely. Next I'm also applying it on my lower lash line. Here I'm using eyelashes, fake eyelashes, and glue is from Sivana Colors. Applying a thin layer of glue on the lash band and wait for 30 seconds before applying it so the glue get a bit tacky, and apply it on your lash line. Apply it very nicely. Take your time while applying it because applying eyelashes is not. Next here I am applying lipstick. The lipstick is from Color Blast in the shade 15. It's a very beautiful orangish peachish kind of color in a warm tone. Applying it properly on my lips. So yeah, here's my finished final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a fat big thumbs up to the video. Also comment you liked it or not. Please support to my channel and me. Please like, subscribe and share this video. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so whenever I post a new video, you get notified. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Loads of love to all of you guys.